Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video, courtesy of BZFuture. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. This is going to be the Dareu KB Yellow Keyboard A87 Esports Mechanical RGB. And I'm going to give you a code. You guys will get 15% off with this code, TS15. And you'll get 15% off at checkout. A little something about this before we get started. This is a 3-mode RGB PBT keycap, customized switch, fine-tuned satellite, noise canceling silicone pad. 3-mode connectivity, USB, Bluetooth, or wired, I do believe. This is Dareu customized mechanical switch. It has a HotSwap, high intensity noise canceling pad, fine-tuned satellite link, built-in lithium battery for longer gameplay, magnetic upper housing. I'll show you guys that in a second. High purity PBT double injection keycap. You can replace them, swap them out, go crazy with it. RGB backlight, N key rollover. So like I said, I already did the unboxing, and you get a little template, if you could translate it, right there. It shows the different modes. And then here's the layout, A87. Well, this is definitely a nice one to get. So it's already unboxed. So you get this long cord, gold plated for great connectivity. So, but this is a nice one, guys. Super lightweight. Take it anywhere with you. And get your video game on. Maybe at your buddy's house or on the road at a hotel. So pretty good size there. And now, open this up. Comes with that. And it's all in that. So it shows you how to replace them, how to swap them out. I'm not going to do no swaps today. I don't have nothing to swap it out with. So we're going to keep it the way it is. But, whoa. Alright. Here is the keyboard. Maybe this light's too bright. Here we go. Looks really nice. Here's the housing part where it has a name on it, Dareu. It feels really good on the keys. And here's the bottom. Got these little flips. This is where the USB goes. And right here is the Bluetooth or the wireless transmitter. But you could hook it up Bluetooth, wireless transmitter, or USB Dareu. Put it back in there, make sure. And then here's the switch. It has the 3 different modes. And it should light up in a second. There we go. Really nice RGB. But here's the housing. You take it off. Then if you have your little tool to replace the keycaps, you could just pop these off and swap them out. But I kind of like it without the housing. So, and here's those normal buttons right there. But like I said, you could use my code for 15% off. That is TS15. And you'll get the 15% off of this and other accessories, whatever you choose. We're going to hop on over to the computer and give this a test out run. But yeah, this one is a good one to get, guys. You can see all this. Yeah, I'm liking the color, so. But like I said, I could, down the road, in case one of these breaks, but I don't think they would break. It's really good. Very nice. Yeah. We'll check it out on a computer right now. Be right back. Alright guys, we're going to do a wireless hookup first to try it. Make sure you have it on the middle for that one. And the first one is going to be the USB. Last is going to be the Bluetooth. So all I got to do is plug this into my right here. Bada boom. See how it picked it up? And now, see, this is really good size. Here we go. So he's going to have extra keyboard around also. But yeah, that's really nice. And Bluetooth. So you just go want to swap over. That one. We'll pull this one out. Hold on one sec. Alright guys. Now I am switching over to Bluetooth. Last one. See it flashed. And then you go into your settings. Your Bluetooth settings. Here we go. Let me get into that really quick. This is definitely... I'll shut the lights off in a minute so you guys can see Bluetooth and devices. EKSA, no. And a device. Wireless display. I think it's going to be under everything else. So make sure you pop it up on that. Alright guys, we are plugged in that way. So really good, guys. If you're looking for a new gaming keyboard. And now we're going to hook it up Bluetooth. So we had all three modes going. Alright guys, I switched it over to Bluetooth. Everything's good to go. Uh-oh. Hold on one sec. I'm sorry about that. I had it wrong. Yep. There we go. So now, take that there. So really nice. And now we're going to see the little light show and see how it is at nighttime. Alright guys, here's what it looks like. If you hold FN and up, you can change the brightness. See, it's dark. So FN and up. And it. can't even see what I'm doing. Hold on. There we go. Yep, FN is right here. And the up. Or down. Or up. Really nice though. Check it out. And it's so cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.